Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see what is the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to check the Antutu score of your Samsung phone, first of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. And from here, just tap on download. Then tap on open. Then tap on install. Now just tap on open. From here, just select agree. Now from here, just tap on install and test. Then tap on get from market. Now just go back and tap on install and test again. And from here, just tap on download. Now just tap on settings. Then enable this toggle. After that, just select install. Then tap on open. Select agree. Then tap on start test. Now, as you can see, the Antutu benchmark test has been completed, and the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A07 is 5,16,390. And this is the Antutu score of the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.